I heard it all you saying, y'all in the zone. Yeah, I believe you, but my Tommy gun don't. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Zach Morris at the max, we making massive moves here. Yachts, not just another Asian kid with a Bible name. Now I'm the type to take a dip during a tidal wave. Look who's arrived, looking higher than Empire State. Look who's surprised with they little sweet and sour face. Who's in the mood to get blessed? You should inquire us. Portable butane stovetop has been fired up, and the ramen noodles are boiling. Time to crack some eggs, huh? Tie the noose with enjoyment, put him back to bed. Why your ex, time for some violence. Violent crimes, followed by violence. Roses and violets, huh? Who could you even call even? You better call your big brothers. You better call them that favor. You better call the Ghostbusters. Got an assortment of corpses stored in New York basements. I'm eating sorbets while watching some Scorsese's, and I'm looking for more ways for me to get more wavy. And I'm trying to see more places than Anthony Bourdain did, and I'm trying to be more Cobain than co-training. Somewhere in between being famous and being a no-name, and in between being the king of a domain and being a doorman, and in between being extremely paid and being a poor man.
Lyrics fears no man. My flow once knocked over both bow stands at a Filipino open mic karaoke night over in Rosecrans. I almost crushed the host, the girl singing in both pants. It was so scary, but the DJ caught it, can't mess with his old hands. I know I'm one of the best, but don't test the homie though. The last person who stepped is now texting a testimony, yo. God bless, we all got dressed for that ceremony, yo. My friends dance with Tex and Pop X to two-step to Chromie, yo. I'ma keep going, but look, I'ma start this with a pause first. And I call that mood control. You know who taught me that shit? Mark Wahlberg. That movie Four Brothers, and that scene when he's walking through the snow. Man, he started from like a mile and a half away. That shit was extra hard. Sniper level distance, AWP, that was extra far. Vicious like a category 5, ripping the ceiling off. Had a vision of a statue of an ox telling me kill him all.